What if I told you that growing incredible tomatoes doesn't require expensive fertilizers or secret tricks? You don't need to break the bank or hunt down rare products to get those mouth-watering sun-ripened tomatoes you dream about. In fact, some of the best results come from simple everyday practices that anyone can master, no matter your experience level or garden size. After years of trial and error, I've discovered that the most bountiful harvests are the result of practical, time-tested methods passed down through generations of gardeners. These aren't just theories, they're proven techniques that have transformed my own tomato beds season after season. Whether you're just starting out with your very first tomato plant or you've been growing for decades, these strategies will help you produce juicier, more flavorful tomatoes than ever before. Imagine slicing into a homegrown tomato that's bursting with taste and color. These tips will get you there. Today, I'm sharing 2 decades worth of tomato growing lessons, hard-earned wisdom that survived every challenge my garden and Mother Nature herself could throw at them. From scorching summers to unexpected cold snaps, these hacks have stood the test of time. We'll cover everything you need to know, from choosing the right seeds for your climate, to preparing nutrient-rich soil, to watering your plants in a way that encourages deep roots and healthy growth. You'll learn how to feed your soil naturally, giving your tomatoes the best possible start. As the season unfolds, I'll show you how to fine-tune your care, pruning for better airflow, supporting heavy vines, and keeping pests at bay, so your plants stay strong and productive all summer long. Forget about flashy garden gimmicks and quick fixes. Focus on what really works, and you'll see the difference in your harvest. Healthy, thriving plants are the true secret to success. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to set yourself up for your best tomato harvest yet. One that's juicy, abundant, and absolutely delicious. Let's get growing. The journey to juicy giant tomato harvest starts with a crucial decision: choosing the right variety to grow. With so many options available, it can feel overwhelming, but making the right choice is the foundation for a successful season. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, picking the right tomato variety is the first step toward a bountiful harvest. Not all tomatoes are created equal. Tomatoes come in a dazzling array of shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its own unique qualities and uses in the kitchen. Some varieties are bred for exceptional flavor, perfect for slicing onto sandwiches or enjoying fresh. Others are developed for their resistance to common diseases, making them a reliable choice if you've struggled with blight or wilt in the past. And some tomatoes are prized for their productivity, ensuring you'll have plenty to share with friends and family. Heirlooms like Brandywine offer unbeatable taste and a rich history, often passed down through generations of gardeners. Their unique flavors and beautiful colors make them a favorite among tomato enthusiasts. Meanwhile, hybrids such as Celebrity or Sungold are bred to withstand disease and unpredictable weather, making them a smart choice for gardeners who want a dependable crop, even in challenging conditions. To make the best choice, research which tomato varieties perform well in your specific region. Talk to local gardeners, visit your extension office, or consult regional gardening guides. Local knowledge can help you avoid disappointment and set you up for success. Don't be afraid to experiment, mix tried and true favorites with something new each year. This way, you'll discover what works best in your garden and enjoy a diverse harvest. Remember, the right tomato variety can make all the difference, not just in flavor, but also in yield and overall gardening satisfaction. Choose wisely, and your garden will reward you with delicious homegrown tomatoes all season long. One of the greatest joys of growing tomatoes at home is discovering the incredible variety available to gardeners. Tomatoes come in all shapes, sizes, colors, and flavors, and each type brings something unique to your garden and your table. From tiny sweet cherry tomatoes to large, juicy beefsteaks, there's a world of options to explore. Don't limit yourself to just 1 or 2 types. By growing several different varieties each season, you'll not only enjoy a more diverse harvest, but you'll also learn which tomatoes thrive best in your specific garden conditions. Some may handle heat or humidity better, while others might resist pests or diseases. Try mixing determinate and indeterminate types, or plant a combination of early, mid, and late-season varieties. This approach stretches your harvest over several months, so you can enjoy fresh tomatoes for longer. It also protects you from losing your entire crop to unexpected weather or disease. Since different varieties mature at different times, think of each season as a new experiment. The notes and observations you gather about which varieties grew best, which produced the most fruit, and which tasted the best, will help you become a more successful gardener year after year. Keep detailed notes on what thrives, what struggles, and which tomatoes have the flavors you love most. Taste testing your harvest can be a fun family activity, and your records will guide your choices for future seasons. Over time, you'll develop a personal list of tomato all-stars, varieties that are perfectly suited to your region and your taste buds. This collection will make your garden more productive, your meals more delicious, and your gardening journey even more rewarding. It's tempting to water your tomatoes daily, but frequent shallow watering does more harm than good. Shallow watering keeps roots near the surface, making plants vulnerable to heat and drought. Overly wet soil can also encourage root rot and fungal diseases. Instead, focus on how deep the water is reaching. Encourage roots to grow deep and strong for better resilience and fruit quality. Trust that a little stress makes for tougher, more resilient tomato plants. When you water, make it count. Deep, infrequent watering builds robust roots and heat resistance. Use a watering wand or slow drip system to soak the soil 6 to 8 inches deep. Water once or twice a week, giving each plant a thorough soak. Mulch helps retain moisture, so you may need to water even less. Deep watering also helps prevent blossom end rot and cracking. The result, plump, juicy tomatoes with fewer problems. No two gardens are alike, so watering schedules aren't one size fits all. Check your soil. If it's dry a couple inches down, it's time to water. Your local weather, mulch, and soil type all play major roles. Wilting in the afternoon is normal heat stress, but limp plants in the morning need water. Learn the cues your tomatoes give you and adapt. The best gardeners trust their observations, not just a schedule. Great tomatoes start with great soil. Before planting, work generous amounts of compost and organic matter into your beds. Compost retains moisture, improves drainage, and supports beneficial microbes. Mix in aged manure, shredded leaves, or worm castings for a thriving patch. Healthy soil is the secret behind the sweetest, most flavorful fruit. Set your plants up for success before they ever touch the ground. The real magic happens when you focus on feeding the soil, not just the plant. Add organic matter to support the billions of tiny organisms that make nutrients available. Layer compost, mulch with straw or leaves, and try compost tea for long-term fertility. Healthy soil grows healthy plants. Invest in your soil for future harvests. Tomatoes are heavy feeders and benefit from regular fertilization. Use a balanced vegetable-specific fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks. Apply at the base of each plant and water it in well. Organic options like fish emulsion or kelp meal work wonders during peak fruiting. Consistent feeding keeps your plants vigorous and boosts fruit set. Fertilizer alone won't solve all your tomato woes. Tomatoes also need sunlight, well-draining soil, and the right amount of water. Over-fertilizing can lead to leafy plants with few fruits. Make sure your tomatoes get 6 to 8 hours of sun and are spaced properly. Balance all the essentials for strong plants and abundant harvests. Sunlight is the fuel for your tomato plants. Without at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun, your tomatoes will struggle. Move containers to the sunniest spot and avoid planting near trees or fences that cast shade. Watch your garden throughout the day and adjust planting spots if needed. In hot climates, provide light afternoon shade, but don't skimp on morning rays. More sun means more energy for flowering, fruiting, and ripening. Crowded tomato plants are a recipe for trouble. Without enough space, air can't circulate and humidity builds up. Perfect for disease. Leave at least 18 to 24 inches between plants, even if it means fewer plants. Proper spacing makes watering, fertilizing, and spotting problems easier. Healthy airflow is just as important as sunlight and water. Tomatoes are natural climbers. Supporting them is a game changer. Stakes, cages, or trellises improve airflow, reduce disease, and make harvesting easier. Stake indeterminate tomatoes early so supports won't tip over. Keeping fruit off the ground prevents rot and pest damage. Start early and be consistent. Your tomatoes will thank you. Know you've been a good friend. Supporting tomato plants isn't a one-time job. As your tomatoes grow, tie up new stems regularly with soft ties or strips of old t-shirts. Ongoing support prevents heavy fruit from snapping branches. It also helps train the plant upward for better sunlight and easier harvesting. Walk your tomato patch often to catch small issues early. Pruning can seem intimidating, but it's worth learning. For indeterminate varieties, remove small suckers that sprout in the joints between the main stem and branches. This improves airflow, reduces disease risk, and directs energy to fruit. Use clean, sharp pruners and remove suckers when they're small. Pruning is about balance, enough to keep your plant healthy and productive. While pruning is important, don't go overboard. Leaves are your tomatoes' solar panels and protect fruit from harsh sunlight. Too few leaves can cause sunscald, pale, leathery patches on fruit. Maintain a good canopy for shade, especially during the hottest part of the day. Find the right balance for flawless, sun-protected tomatoes. Tomato diseases can linger in the soil for years. Never plant tomatoes or their relatives in the same spot 2 years in a row. Rotating your planting area breaks the cycle of soil-borne diseases and pests. If space is limited, use containers and fresh soil each season. Crop rotation is one of the simplest ways to avoid disease problems. Even with the best care, tomato leaves sometimes fall victim to disease or pests. Remove yellowing, spotted, or chewed-up leaves right away. Prompt removal limits disease spread and keeps your plant healthy. Use clean pruners and dispose of infected leaves away from the garden. Healthy foliage means more energy for fruit and a cleaner patch. The moment of truth is harvest time. Pick tomatoes when fully colored, slightly soft, and they pull away with a gentle twist. Don't wait too long. Overripe tomatoes can split or attract pests. If rain is coming, harvest early and let them ripen indoors. Fresh-picked, sun-warmed tomatoes are one of life's true pleasures.